Sparks are flying. Oh yeah. Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. It's vinyl floors and wood stairs. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're going into a job that we just wrapped up. It's Hunter's job, but me and Tristan, we gave him the final push. The last hurrah, we got it done, and we are all complete. And let's go take a look at the job. Let's hit it. So let me start by saying this staircase had no railing yesterday or the day before. We took the wall down. It just had a wall here, and we opened it up. You have more light flowing through it now, which is huge, huge. I mean, it completely changed the look of the staircase. Check out what it looked like before. Let's go check out the vinyl floors. Oh yeah, I got my shoes off. I got the STAIR ARMOUR off. I feel like a little kid on Christmas. What I'm gonna find, right? Oh, what did I get? I got some beautiful vinyl floors. Oh yeah. And I also got some new door casings. Look at these casings. This is all new. We don't have any light though. We could really use some light in here. I'll do a GoFundMe for it. No, I'm just kidding. These are upgraded casings. The regular casings that I told my client we were gonna use were out of stock. So he got the upgrade, and I think they look really good. Same thing on the base here. Hunter has been busy. He did the base, he did the casing, he did the closet doors. We have the posts, we have the floor, we have the full treads. Those are all solid 1-inch thick oak there. And he is staining them not to match the floor, the vinyl floor upstairs, but to match the tile downstairs. Actually, we want it somewhere in the middle between both floors. Is that possible? Let's find out. And there it is, the final piece to the puzzle. This last handrail. The last of a breed, the last of the Railhekins. You know what this means? This means the job is done and it's time to go home. But not before we talk about the vinyl. Now, I went into this job thinking we were going to be installing Nucore Performance. My client said he bought the best. Well, it wasn't Performance, but it could be the best Nucore I've ever installed. It has a 30 mil wear layer. It is 8 mil thick, and it's 9 inches wide. I mean, I love this product. It installed like a dream, which is really important to me because the easier it installs, the better the job's gonna come out, especially for DIYers. And of course, you can see it looks amazing. 30 mil, 9 inch wide, easy installation. What more do you need? But besides the great floor, the job came out amazing. Hunter really stepped up and delivered. Customers call him the artist, and I see why. These stairs look amazing. The rail looks amazing. Everything came together so nicely. We have another happy customer. We're really trying to grow our channel. If you could please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't subscribed, that helps us more than you can imagine. If you really, really want to give us a hand though, we also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment, so check out the PayPal link below. If you're new around here, you're going to want to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put a head-to-head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, and do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content, and thanks for watching.